My brand new pattern, the Bright and Beautiful Towels, is now available in my Etsy shop as a digital download. I'll have the link for that down below. These towels are woven with bright and happy colours. They're designed to bring a bit of joy to your kitchen to a usually mundane task. Now, some people argue that we shouldn't use such beautiful things, that they should be purely decorative, but I have to disagree. I think that any homemaker deserves to use beautiful tools, and these towels certainly fit in that category. So more about the pattern. There are 4 towels in total, but they're all woven on the same warp. Now, this project is not specifically for beginners. If you are a beginner table or floor loom weaver, I have courses that can help you with that, and I'm going to link to those down below. If you have a bit more experience and you know your loom fairly well, then these towels would be great for you. They're woven on 4 shafts in a beautiful twill pattern. The printable PDF file is 22 pages long, and it includes step-by-step instructions, color photos, and additional tutorial links to help ensure your success. I even go into talking about things like skeleton tie-up, to try to accommodate for all weaving situations. I hope you love these towels as much as I do. Check out the link down below to find out more.